Information is the backbone of modern organizations. IT systems are more connected, more critical, and more exposed than ever before. Cybercrime causes global damages of over 8 trillion euros per year. More than 60% of small and mid-sized companies struggle to survive after a major cyber incident. At the same time, regulatory requirements are becoming stricter. AI is changing attack patterns. Cost pressure is increasing. A 2025 classification makes one thing clear. In 2026, cybersecurity becomes a strategic management task. Cyber resilience, governance, and technological foresight are now essential. The real challenge is not missing technology. It is missing structure, prioritization, and decision clarity. This is where ISARION begins. ISARION provides a structured, transparent view of your real cybersecurity posture, beyond technical controls, beyond compliance checklists. By enabling structured prioritization today, ISARION helps reduce risks, control costs, and minimize regulatory friction tomorrow. Discover the future of assessment by exploring our assessment templates, from NIS2 and ISO 27001 to third-party information, IT, and general cybersecurity assessments. Visit ISARION.io today to experience how you can turn clarity into confident decisions and transform your business.